How to restring a beaded bracelet that has seen better days. There are a couple things going on with this beaded bracelet. The string has gotten stretched out over time, and this knot is not as attractive as it could be. So I'll show you how to restring right now. To replace the string, I'm going to use some 1mm Stretch Magic string. Probably can pick up string in your local craft store like a Michael's or something like that. This is what I have to use today. Also, I'm going to be using just a little bit of super glue. I'm using some Gorilla Glue just to secure the knot a little bit better. So the first thing to do is to cut the string, but hold on to the beads so they don't go everywhere. Line them up the way that you have them already on the bracelet, or you at this time can rearrange to your own design. Even though the string says it's a stretch magic and it's pre-stretch, I like to stretch it again because what I find over time it will stretch some more. So as tight as you can get it when you're stringing is better off. So I'm going to speed up this part right here. I'm just going to string the beads up one by one. Trying to be careful to get the design the way I like it as I'm going along here. These particular beads had pretty large holes in them, so you may be able to use a thicker diameter string next time. And now they are all strung up. Now that we have them nice and strung on the way we like, I'll take an extra little tug on it just to make sure that everything is nice and stretched out. I will cut off the line now and I will start tying my knots. What I typically do is tie about 4 or 5 knots. Each time tying each knot, I will stretch out the line to make sure that the knot is nice and tight. Now, before I go on to putting the glue on and cutting the tag ends off, I just inspect it to make sure everything is okay and it has the nice springy tightness that I like. Now that I have seen that that works, I will cut off the tag ends and get ready to glue. Put a little dot of glue on to the knot. And before I put on the glue onto the knot, I do one more check just to make sure the knot is secure even without the glue. Now it's time to put a little dot of glue on to the knot, making sure that you aren't gluing your thumb or fingers at this time. So I just put a little dab of glue on there, then I will hold the bracelet so the glue does not stick onto the beads themselves, and it's usually about 30 seconds and then it's dry. My little secret is to pull the knot back through one of the beads. I pulled it through this blue bead and it is nice and hidden, so hopefully it won't get snagged on anything. So there you have it. That's how to restring a beaded bracelet.